Hey, Xander. Hey, and where are we at right now?
We are at
The Mill Museum.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to solve the puzzle right now.
Yeah. We don't want to give away the whole answer, so I'm going to stop it here. But you tell all our followers hi?
Hi. We don't need these anymore.
You keep it. It's like your ticket. Show them that you paid. Look at the strong man.
Oh wait, that's the corner. I don't want that corner. I'm gonna get through. There's alot 16 of these here. You can see on the top.
Those are the socks that catch the dust.
And this thing, which is a dust collector.
Oh. And it was showing that picture? What happened there?
So apparently the thing when the first Washburn mill destroyed and a catastrophic floor dust explosion that wiped out half of Minneapolis milling capacity. Ruins of the first Washburn mill, Minneapolis, 1878.
Awesome.
And this thing.
It's another dust collector. All right, we'll stop it there for now.
So this turns that, and that turns that, and that turns that, which shoots out water.
Yeah, and it turns all the belts. That's how they would use the river.
Turns that belt, and then it moves that.
Yeah, that was what they call a bucket elevator where it just
And
loads
then
stuff.
It lifts the water up there.
It's true. It's all true. Water equals power. We got bonus pies. So show us how it works, Xander. Show them, Mr. Light Bulb.
So this is where it's supposed to be. So over down here is where the thing is supposed, where the warmer is supposed to be. And then over here we got some pies.
We found some bonus pies earlier, right?
And here.
Yep, the heat from the stack there would keep them warm.
And we got a built-in picnic table.
And keep your food hot. And so you use your oven and your stove would all be in one and it all heat from there.
Yep. It's kind of hard to lift up though.
It's pretty cool. And don't ever put yourself in a hot oven. That would be very bad.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, there's a kettle and a lot of beans.
A lot of beans. More beans, please.